have this shirt that I got from the Goodwill, and I'm gonna add this to the bottom of another white shirt to make this almost like a shirt dress. So this is already an oversized, nice long button-down shirt that I've had. I don't wear it, so I figured this is going to be a good way for me to probably wear it now. At least it'll give it some newness, and then I'll decide if I actually do like it. So I'm going to leave this bottom half. I was considering cutting this and making it an even line, but I think I'm going to make it a little bit layered. So this is a nice fancy Ralph Lauren shirt, and it's really, really thick. And I think it'll be good because it's going to hold, it's going to put some weight at the bottom where I want it to be, because this is going to be like the skirt portion. So the shirt is significantly wider than the one that I'm sewing it to. This is how it looks. It goes out way past. But I'm going to cut the shirt along this line here, right under the armpit. And then I'm going to cut up the side to open it up. I'm going to open up the side on both sides. And then whatever is extra, I'm going to sew up the sides to close up that extra part. And I'm going to sew it with a top stitch straight across underneath here. So this flap of the shirt on the front and the back is going to show, and then the other shirt is going to be on the inside here. I'm planning on this being a layering piece, so this is probably not going to be ever worn alone. I'm always going to have something over it from the way I'm envisioning it. So if you want to see how this is going to come together, then I hope you keep watching. So I just tried this on with my hoodie update that I made before. This is probably one of the ways I would wear this. And see, I like how it looks when it's not really defined at the bottom. So this part kind of just flaps out, and this side part does its own thing. So I'm gonna just sew a straight line to connect these two pieces. Just a top stitch going straight down the side here with them flat together this way. And then for this one, I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. And then I'll just show you a quick styling update